Indus, Sindhu. The Indus, also known as Sindhu, is the westernmost Himalayan river in India. It flows in the northwest direction between Ladakh and Jaskar. It passes through Ladakh and Baltistan. It cuts across the Ladakh range, forming a spectacular gorge near Gilgit in Jammu and Kashmir. The Indus flows in India only through the Lech district of Jammu and Kashmir. Its left bank tributaries include Suru, Dras, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Vez and Satluj. Its right bank tributaries are all originating from Sulayman Range, Kuram, Sok, Gomal, Gilgit, Sangar, Vivao, Tochi. Sok River, also known as River of Death, in Yarkandi, Yagghur and Karakoram region. Jhelum, Vitasta, it flows through Srinagar and the Vular Lake before entering Pakistan through a deep narrow gorge. It joins Chenab near Jhang in Punjab province of Pakistan. Lidar, Sindh and Neelam are its tributaries in Kashmir. Chenab, Asikni, it is formed by the two streams, the Chandra and the Bhaga, which join at Tandi near Keelong in Himachal Pradesh. Hence, it is also known as a Chandrabhag. It is the largest tributary of Indus, 1180 km in India before entering Pakistan. It makes a hairpin bend near Kishtwar, flowing across the Pir Panjal to enter into Pakistan. It receives water of Jhelum, Ravi and Satluj. Dalhasti hydroelectric project, Salal hydroelectric project and a Baglihar project are located on this river. Ravi Parusuni, it forms a deep gorge in the Dholawar range. Ravi joins Chenab and near Sarai Sindhu. Its drainage area lies between the southeastern part of a Pir Panjal and a Dhauladhar range. It runs along the Indo-Pak border in Punjab plains along Amritsar and Gurdaspur before entering into Pakistan. Base Bipasa. This river flows through Kullu Valley and forms a gorge in the Dhauladhar range. This river basin lies completely within the Indian territory. It means Satluj River and Haraki in Punjab. India's longest canal, Indira Gandhi Canal, starts from its Harak barrage. Satudri, it flows almost parallel to Indus 400 km before entering India at Sipkila, Himachal Pradesh, and from Ropar enters into Punjab plain. After entering into India, River Spit joins this river in the north. It is known as Langechen Khamban in Tibet. It has created an extraordinary canyon at Nari Khorasan province of Tibet. It forms international boundary 120 km between India and Pakistan, where it joins Indus at Mithaq Note. Govind Sagar Dam, Bhakra Dam is situated on this river. Nathpa Jhakri hydroelectric project is located along this river in Simla, Himachal Pradesh. Ganga river system, it is shared by Uttarakhand 110 km, Uttar Pradesh 1450 km, Bihar 445 km and West Bengal 520 km. The total length of a Ganga river is 2525 km. The Ganga drain system, Ganga, Gangotri Glacier, Yamuna, Yamunotri Glacier, Chambal, Wind Hills, Ram Ganga, Garhwal district, Ghagra, Mapchangu Glacier, Gandak, Tibet Nepal border, Kosi, Sikkim, Nepal, Tibet, Himalaya. Left bank tributary are Ram, Ganga, Gomti, Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi, Mahanadi, Kali, etc. Right bank tributaries are Yamuna, Son, Tans, Karmansa, Punpun, Kyol, etc. Doabs of a Ganga river system, Ganga, Yamuna, Doab, or river region, Ganga and Yamuna. Doab, plain of Rohili Khand, river region, Ram Ganga and Gomti. Doab, Awadh plains, river region, Gomti and Ghagra. Doab, eastern plains of UP, or river region, Ghagra and Gandak. Doab, Saran plain, river region, Gandak and Old Gandak. Doab, Mithali plain, river region, Old Gandak and Kosi. Doab, plain of West Bengal, river region, Kosi and Mahananda. Namami Ganga project is an integrated conservation mission approved as a flagship program by the Union Government in June 2014 with budget outlay of rupees 20,000 crore. Ministry of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation is the nodal agency. The National Mission for a Clean Ganga (NMCG) is the implementation wing. Yamuna, it is the westmost and the longest tributary of Ganga which joins Ganga and Prayag, Allahabad. It has its source in the Yamunotri glacier on the western slope of the Bandar Panch range. The Tran river emerging from the Himalayas is the largest tributary of the Yamuna river. Right bank tributaries Chambal, Sindh, Betwa and Ken. Left bank tributaries Hindan, Rind, Sengar and Varuna. Chambal, it rises near Mahu, Madhya Pradesh in the Malwa Plateau and flows northwards through gorge upwards of a Kota in Rajasthan, where the Gandhi Sagar Dam has been constructed. Its main tributaries are Banas, Dhasan, Kali Sindh, Parabati. It joins Yamuna at Etawah, Uttar Pradesh. Gandhi Sagar, Rana Pratap Sagar and Jawahar Sagar are the major multi-purpose projects built on this river. The Chambal is famous for its bandland topography called the Chambal Ravines. It joins Ganga about 16 km upstream of Danapur in Patna, Bihar. It originates from Amarkantak Plateau, Madhya Pradesh. The important tributaries are Rihand, Johila, Gopad, Kanhar and North Kuel. Almost all the tributaries join it on the right bank. Damodar, sorrow of Bengal. Its important tributaries are Barakar, Konar, Bokaro, Ghari and Behra. The Barakar is the largest tributary of Damodar. Tilaya project and a methane project are located on the Bharakar river, whereas Panchet project is located on Damodar river, once known as the Sorrow of Bengal. The Damodar has been now tamed by the Damodar Valley Corporation, a multi-purpose project. Ram Ganga, it is comparatively a small river rising in the Gharwal hills and Garsan. Its important tributaries are Kho, Gangam, Arel, Kosi and Dewa. It joins Ganga near Kannau. Gandak Narayani, it comprises of a two-stream Kali Gandak and Trishul Ganga. It enters into Ganga plains in Champaran district of Bihar and joins Ganga at Sonpur near Patna. Its main tributaries are Kali Gandak, Marasai Gandhi, Marsi and Gandhi, Buddhi, Gandak, Trishuli, etc. Ghagra, it is also known as a Karnali in Nepal. It passes through Himalayas in Nepal and joins the Sarda river at Brahmagat in India, and together they form the Ghagra river. It is the largest tributary of Ganga in terms of a volume. Left bank tributaries Behri, Sarju, Kuvana, Rapti, Choti Gandak. Right bank tributaries Seti, Dhawar, Sarda, Budhi, Ganga. Gomti River, it originates from a Fulhar lake in Pilibhit, Uttar Pradesh. It is the only tributary of Ganga that originates in the plains. It joins the Ganga near Gazipur. Sarda Saryu River, it is also known as a Mahakali or Kali Ganga in Uttarakhand. It originates from Milam Glacier in Nepal Himalayas, where it is known as a Gori Ganga. It demarcates western border of Nepal in India. Kosi, it is an antecedent river with its source to the north of Mount Everest in Tibet, where its main stream rises. Kosi River consists of 7 rivers and is popularly known as Sapt Kosi. It is known for the frequent shifting course causing widespread flood of Bihar and hence infamous as Sorrow of Bihar. It has been, however, tamed by the construction of a barrage in 1965 near Hanuman Nagar in Nepal. In a joint venture, India and Nepal constructed embankments for floods control on Kosi River. Mahananda, it originates from a Darjeeling Hills. It is the last left bank tributary of Ganga, joining it in West Bengal. Brahmaputra river system. The Brahmaputra, one of the largest rivers of the world, originates from Chemayangdang Glacier of Kailash Range near a Mansarovar Lake in Tibet. In Tibet, Brahmaputra river is known as a Sangpo, means the purifier. The Rangpo Sangpo is a major right bank tributary of Sangpo river in Tibet. In China, it is known as a Yarlung Jangbo. Mariam La separates Brahmaputra from Mansarovar Lake. The river emerges from the foothills under the name of Dihang or Siang. It enters India west of a Sadia town in Arunachal Pradesh. While flowing southwest, it receives its main left bank tributaries viz. Dibanga or Sikang and Lohit. Thereafter, it is known as the Brahmaputra. Several islands are found in path of this river. Majuli is world's largest river in island. It enters Bangladesh near Dhubri and flows southward. In Bangladesh, Tista joins it at right bank and later it is called a Jamuna. And thereafter it emerges with the Padma and falls in Bay of Bengal. Left bank tributaries Burhi, Dihang, Dhansiri, Lohit. Right bank tributaries Subansari, Kameng, Manas and Sankos. Thank you.